गुड मॉर्निंग किड्स। आज हम एनसीईआरटी क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 2 लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन वन वेरिएबल का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज करने जा रहे हैं। सो दिस इज एक्सरसाइज 2.1 ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 2 ऑफ क्लास 8 न्यू एनसीईआरटी बुक. So here we have to solve for the variable x, right? So when we have to solve for the variable x, we are going to use the properties of equality. Now, what do you mean by the property of equality? That if there are two things which are given equal to each other, if you add something on both the sides, it is still the same. सो a इज इक्वल्स टू b था, हमने यहाँ पे दोनों जगह दोनों साइड्स में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में c ऐड कर दिया. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. The equation still remains same if we subtract the same thing from both these sides. The equation remains the same if you multiply with the same thing on both the sides. And the equation also remains same if you divide by a non-zero number on both the sides. And these are called as the properties of equality, which we are going to use to solve these questions. So the first question is 3x equals to 2x plus 18. So सबसे पहले what we can do? We can subtract 2x from both the sides. So let us subtract 2x from both the sides. When we subtract 2x from both the sides, on the left hand side आपको मिल जाएगा x, and on the right hand side this 2x and 2x will become 0, and your answer would be just x equals to 18. Coming on to the next question. On the left side we have 5t minus 3, on the right side we have 3t minus 5. Abhi we can subtract 3t from both the sides. So let us subtract 3t from both the sides. T minus 3t minus 5, right? When you subtract 5t minus 3t कितना हो जाएगा? 2t minus 3 equals to 3t and 3t will get cancelled away, 0 हो जाएगा. 0 minus 5. Now let's add 3 on both the sides. So when we add 3 on both the sides, so 2t minus 3 plus 3 will give you minus 5 plus 3. And यहाँ पे negative 3 positive 3 0 हो जाएगा वापस से, and you will have 2t is equals to negative 2. अब हम divide कर देंगे on both the sides by 2. So 2t when divided by 2 is equals to negative 2 divided by 2, and you get the result of t as negative 1. So the solution of the variable t is negative 1. Let's move to another question. You have 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Let us first subtract 3x from both the sides. So 5x minus 3x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 3x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x will become 2x plus 9 equals to 5 plus 0. Now let us subtract 9 from both the sides. So 2x plus 9 minus 9 is equals to 5 minus 9. 9 minus 9 वापस से 0 हो जाएगा. We will receive 2x plus 0 is equals to negative 4. अभी 2x plus 0 तो it will remain 2x equals to negative 4. So we can write 2x is equals to negative 4. Now let us divide by 2 on both the sides. So 2x over 2 equals to negative 4 over 2, and then you will get the result as x is equals to negative 2. So 4x plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. Now let us subtract 2z from both the sides. 6 plus 2z minus 2z, right? So 4z minus 2z, z भी बोलते हैं और z भी बोलते हैं. So 4z minus 2z is 2z, 2z भी बोल सकते हैं, plus 3, और यहाँ पे 2z minus 2z 0 हो जाएगा, तो it will become 6 over here. अभी let us subtract 3 from both the sides. So 2z is equals to 6 minus 3, which will be 3. And now let us divide by 2 on both the sides. So z would be equals to 3 over 2. So your answer would be z equals to 3 over 2. The next question is 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. अब हमें x वेरिएबल को आइसोलेट करना है एक साइड से. So instead of subtracting, we will do addition. So let's add x on both the sides. So 2x plus x minus 1 would be equals to 14 minus x plus x. Now right side में negative x और positive x 0 हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे left side में 2x plus x will become 3x. So 3x minus 1 is equals to 14. Abhi we will add 1 on both the sides. On adding 1 on both the sides, left side में 1 और negative 1 cancel होके 0 हो जाएंगे. Right side में it would become 15. And now let us divide by 3 on both the sides. So your answer would come as x equals to 5. I hope you people are able to understand. Now let us move to question number 6. The question is 8x plus 4 is equals to 3 times of x minus 1 plus 7. So सबसे पहले हम right side में distributive law use करके this 3 will get multiplied to each of these terms within the parenthesis. So this would become 3x minus 3 and plus 7. Now let's solve these two terms. So you will get 8x plus 4 is equals to 3x plus 4. What could you see now? If you subtract on both sides of the equation, 8x will become equals to 3x. Right? Let's subtract 3x from both the sides. So you will get 5x equals to 0. And then let us divide by 5 on both the sides. So x would become 0. Alright. Next question. X is equals to 4 by 5 times of x plus 10. Abhi what we can do is, let us multiply by 5 on both the sides. So if we multiply by 5 on both the sides, left hand side will become 5 times of x. और right side में क्या होगा? 5 into 4 over 5 and x plus 10. Abhi this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled away. So your equation will now come as 5x equals to 4x plus 40 using the distributive law again. Now subtract 4x from both the sides, you will get x is equals to 40 as your answer. Moving to the next question. जब भी fractions होता है ना, we try to remove that fraction to make our calculations much easier. अभी आपको पता है 3 है एक साइड में लेफ्ट में और राइट साइड में 15 है. So what we can do is, if we multiply both the sides by 15, तो हमारे ये डिनोमिनेटर्स एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे. So let us multiply by 15 on both the sides. Why 15? Because it is the LCM of 3 and 15. So you have 15 times of 2x over 3 plus 1. And on the right side also I will multiply 15 with both the terms. And जब भी हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो सारे टर्म्स में मल्टीप्लाई होता है, कुछ भी डिवाइड करते हैं तो सारे टर्म्स में डिविजन होता है. अभी what happens? Let us multiply. So this 3 and 5 will get cancelled away. 3 will get cancelled away with 5 times of 15. तो बाहर क्या बचेगा? 5 times of 2x and then 15 times of 1 on the left. राइट में 15 पूरा का पूरा कैंसिल हो जाएगा 15 से, तो हमारे पास बचेगा 7x and this 15 will get multiplied to 3, so we will get 45. 15 times of 1 is equal to 2x is 10x. 15 times of 1 is 15. राइट साइड में 7x प्लस 45. ठीक है. अभी 7x दोनों साइड से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो राइट लेफ्ट साइड में 10x minus 7x will be 3x. 3x plus 15 equals to 45. Now let us subtract 15 from both the sides. So 3x would be equals to 45 minus 15, which is 30. And let us now divide by 3 on both the sides. So it would be 30 over 3 and the result would be 10. So the value of the variable x comes as 10 over here. Let us come to the next question. Question number 9. यहाँ पे अब आप लोग बता सकते हैं, we multiply with 3 on both the sides, so the denominators will get eliminated. So let us multiply 3 times of 2y plus 5 over 3 equals to 3 times of 26 over 3 minus y. Now ye 3 will get distributed to all the terms, right? So 3 times of 2y is 6y. Then 3 times of 5 by 3, 3 and 3 in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled away. You will get 5. On the right, again 3 and 3 will get cancelled away. You will just get 26. And 3 when multiplied with minus y will be minus 3y. Right? Let's add 3y on both the sides. So 6y plus 3y plus 5 equals to 26 minus 3y plus 3y. लेफ्ट साइड में 6y और 3y 9y हो जाएंगे, देन 5 एज इट इज, और राइट साइड में माइनस 3y और प्लस 3y 0 हो जाएगा. लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. लेफ्ट में 9y बचेगा, राइट में 21 बचेगा. एंड नाउ लेट अस डिवाइड बाय 9 ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सो 21 over 9. वी कैन रिड्यूस इट फर्दर. इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, which will be 3 times of 3 and 3 times of 7. So the value of y comes as 7 over 3. Now let us do the last question. So 3m is equals to 5m minus 8 over 5. Alright. अब इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं हम? We can either multiply by 5 on both the sides, या फिर let's add 8 by 5 on both the sides. So 3m plus 8 by 5 would be equals to 5m. ऐसा क्यों किया? जिससे कि पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, राइट? नाउ लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट 3m फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. सो लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. सो ऑन द लेफ्ट you have 8 by 5, on the right you have 2m, राइट? एंड इसको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, हम इसको 2m equals to 8 by 5 भी लिख सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ m की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए लेट अस डिवाइड बाय 2 ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सो 8 by 5 था और इसको हमें डिवाइड करना है 2 से, राइट? 2 will get cancelled away and you will get 4 over 5. So your final answer is m equals to 4 by 5. With this, we come to the end of exercise 2.1 of New Maths Class 8 NCERT book. Thank you.